Alrighty guys, I am kind of sad to inform you, but I no longer own this Cressida. And look at who the new owner is. You know this man. So yeah, basically, I don't know, this makes me really sad to do this, but I kind of need a winter daily. And I started getting this thing ready to be the winter daily, and it's not ready for that. It still needs a couple things, and I would have to order I don't know, this car's too low to even drive in the winter. I would need to order a bunch of stuff for it, and this man right here, who you may know as the Cressida King, he has this fine and dandy Toyota Previa, which I don't know if some of you guys know, but I'm kind of obsessed with them. Ever since Tim got his, I've just really wanted one, and so he got a second one, and things just kind of worked out where he wants to trade for this Cressida, and I want to trade for the Previa. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing. I know a lot of you guys are here on this channel because of the Cressida, but don't worry, because we're still gonna have Cressidas on here. Tim's not really sure what he's gonna do with this one yet, if it's gonna be a drift car or Bosozoku car, or if he's, yeah, full on Bozo car, or if he's just gonna sell it and get that fat profit, or whatever. But yeah, this car will still, you'll be seeing it on the channel whenever I'm at Tim's house, and you'll be seeing his turbo Cressida still. So we got plenty of Cressida content still, and we're also now adding more minivan content for all you minivan lovers out there.
Snow tandems.
Expect some Previa snow tandems this winter.
And the stock Previas.
In stock Previas. But yeah, so basically we're just doing a straight trade for my Cressida for Tim's Previa, which this thing needs a brake line still, which is why we had to tow it here. But yeah, I don't know, dude, I just put all this work into this car just to sell it, or not even sell it, trade it. So here's one last look at it. Well, it's technically in my possession still. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this wheel, but Tim's just gonna use it to drive to his house. But yeah, she cleans up nice. She's getting a little leaky though. Sunroof is leaking, and Tim threw his exhaust on here because I don't have one. Yeah, let's get a little sound clip. Well, technically I have a stock exhaust, but it scrapes too much with the car being this low. Sounds pretty good.
There's that smoke.
Yeah, and this thing's gonna need new valve seals, so. She smells good at least.
You say it smells good?
Yeah. Love burning oil. But yeah. Please don't hate me, guys. I really did not want to do this, but I'm not allowed to have 3 cars at one house. And yeah, I mean, things will kind of work out because you'll still be seeing this car. You know Tim. And yeah, I got to do some new Previa content, which will be fun, but I still got the Miata, don't worry about that. Yeah, I think we're about to take this to his house and call it a day. Here she goes. Alright guys, we're on our way to Tim's house right now in the truck. Once I get there, we're gonna go to U-Haul, grab a trailer, and throw the minivan on this thing, hopefully. Alright guys, we just made it to Tim's house. Waiting for him to come outside. But there she is.
Starting worse than it was yesterday. Let me get some gas. See, once it
First
goes,
try.
it's like super smooth.
First kick.
Yeah, I think the spark plugs, wires. Honestly, that's probably it. Plastic-wise, still needs to be wiped down and stuff.
Yeah. Is that from the wood?
It's just dusty.
Oh.
But overall, solid, cleaned up really decent.
Yeah. The carpet actually looks pretty good for having a giant wood thing on it. Like, imagine if you just pulled that up and there's just nothing there. Like, or like a giant hole in the
carpet, dude.
giant hole.
You know how it was like all screwed together?
Yeah.
Some of it was like screwed to the floor.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I had to pull it out pretty good.
I guess you don't really see any of the holes, so. Dude, they're so bad.
Press 2, press 1, and I always press the wrong one.
Yeah.
Yep, that works.
And will you be picking up and dropping off?
Yep.
And what day were you looking to pick up the trailer?
We're looking to come grab it as soon as we can. Just showed us handing each other keys.
Guys, on the way to U-Haul. Well, that's technically on our way. We are at the U-Haul. Pulling to the back right now to get our trailer. I'm gonna have Tim drive it because I never towed a trailer, but I'm gonna try towing it back just because I need some practice. So yeah, we're going to the back. Look how cool that is. Got that trailer back there. Alright, yeah, well, loading a van with no brakes is kind of an issue when you're going downhill, so Tim's gonna pull this onto the street and we're gonna try this again. Alright guys, as you can see, we just got that loaded up. Really wasn't too bad. We pulled it uphill, so it was a lot easier just because we don't have brakes in the Previa, but yeah, so everything's looking good. We just strapped it down. Tim's gonna go turn it around in this driveway. Here, come here, come here, come here. This way, come on. Go back. They're both right in the yard there. Alrighty guys, we are off. How's it feeling, Tim?
Feeling good.
I don't know if you can see back there.
Like literally the trucks, you can't tell it's back there.
Nice. That Ram quality.
That brand new Ram quality.
Brand new Ram, baby. Almost there. Here we go, boys. Last time I'm pulling up to see that Cressida on my driveway.
I'm hoping that we'll get along. It's time for another
Yeah. It should be pretty dry. Check it.
Is it gonna start this time?
Should. No. All right, here we go. We actually gotta go back to the U-Haul to drop this trailer off, so following Tim right now. First time towing a trailer, guys. Wish me luck. You guys know where we're headed now. Gotta get some lunch for $4. Can't beat it. I wish Joel was here.
I'm right here.
Oh my gosh, Joel is here.
I'm starting to. I had 8 today.
We got that good Wendy's meals.
Hey, shout out to them again. They gave me a nugget.
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
The man needs his nugget.
Oh my gosh. Yo, thank you so much. Yo, you guys are amazing people. God bless you.
I love the acting.
Right there.
Did you see the new car? Did you see the car? Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. It's white.
Yo, so what's your Instagram?
My Instagram? Oh, God.
Dude, we saw Joel next to Wendy's again.
Oh, really?
Tim's here changing his wheels. Give me back the purple one. He's gonna throw his Moon Eyes wheel on here.
The Moon Eyes wheel you didn't know I had.
Yeah. But yeah guys, it's kind of cold as you can see by my 4 hoods, but this is the car's resting spot. Well, not right here, but Tim's house. Man, that was a sad drive. This thing looks so good. Other than the fact, it's on stock wheels right now just because the 13s don't really hold air. It's like enough to drive it, but like you can just hear it leaking out, so we just threw the stock ones back on, and we had to fit the exhaust. But cold yet?
Too good. My leg's cold.
This is technically
Oh, Connor, we never watched the video.
Yeah, I know, it's at my house.
Oh man, I'm gonna wait till it's uploaded.
Yeah.
And I think it was like $5 for.
Well, then what?
All right, guys. Well, that's about it for this one. I'm about to leave Tim's house. Pleasure doing business with you.
Something like that.
Something like
I
that.
got this garbage Cressida in my driveway.
Dude, I have a car. I can't even drive the car I just got. But yeah, guys. I don't know. I might film a couple more things at home with the Previa, but if not, I'll see you in the next one.
See you later.